Ready to become the Pokémon trainer of your dreams? With the help of a Raspberry Pi Pico, it's possible to trade Pokémon over to an original cartridge and print images using the original Game Boy printer. With this innovative system, makers and Poke fanatics alike can enjoy the full experience of trading, writing and 3D printing with a variety of Pokémon. Thanks to a Raspberry Pi project created by maker known as Breadcodes over at Reddit, we can make all of these dreams come true. This setup, which includes a Pico, a Game Boy Advance SP, a breadboard and 2 logic level shifters, allows Breadcodes to do some cool hacking and manipulate the data that would usually be sent through the original link port. In the demo video, we see Breadcodes demonstrating the system in action and trading Pokémon from Pokémon Yellow on a Game Boy Advance SP to a real cartridge. The desktop app he's working on for the project makes it easy for users to configure and set images for printing straight from the Pico modules. Connecting the original link cable is made possible with the Pico's SPI library. This library allows Breadcodes to print images to the original Game Boy printer with the help of a Game Boy Color cable. He's also using a few tricks to make it easier to communicate between 2 Game Boys while trading Pokémon. If you're interested in the details of the project, head over to Breadcodes' original thread on Reddit. Plus, you can follow Breadcodes for updates and soon you could be on your way to being a successful Pokémon trainer.